Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Lucas and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my recent pickups from the past probably like 3, maybe even 4 months now, around the holiday season, Boxing Day, end of sale season, etc. Also trying out my podcast mic for this video. Hopefully it works alright. Never used this mic for a video like this, so we'll see how it goes. Subscribe if you're new, leave a thumbs up, and let's just get into the pieces now. If you remember me a while ago now saying one thing I definitely need more of for this winter season is knits, and we have definitely acquired some knits, so that is where I will start. So the first knit is going to be one that I was lucky enough to have sent over from Peregrine, I believe is how you pronounce it, made in England since 1796. The quality on this is incredible, super soft, quite stretchy, which I'm not sure how I feel about, but I wore it one time. The fit is amazing. This is a medium. Fit is incredible. It's like this fisherman style knit and this black. It's kind of like really dark navy, almost a black colorway. But like I said, the fit incredible, very cozy, very warm, not itchy at all. Love this piece. Thank you to Peregrine for sending this over. Another knit that I know I talked about in one of my videos a while ago. This is the Ronning Fisherman knit. I got this when they restocked it in early December, I want to say. But again, very similar fit to the Peregrine one. This one's just a little bit bigger. It's this beautiful green colorway. Material, again, quality, very nice, cozy, warm, not itchy again. Love this one. Very nice. Shout out to Ronning. Been doing some incredible things. And the third and final knit from a brand that is probably my favorite brand at the moment. That is Fugazi. This is the cable knit sweater in the black colorway. And I believe I got this in the medium as well. But I don't know if you can see the detail. Nice cable knit all throughout. And then it did come with these pins on the chest. I'll get a little bit more of a close-up, but we got 6 pins. Fits very nice, more of a straight fit. The other 2 ones kind of come cinched at the waist. This one definitely more straight down. Very, very nice. Love this. Haven't really worn this one out yet, but a very incredible piece. Sticking with the tops, I grabbed this PSG crewneck sweatshirt from Goat. It was a Goat exclusive piece, I think, from earlier, or fall last year, maybe summer last year. Goat did like a PSG exclusive campaign collection thing, and they just have this black sweatshirt with the huge PSG logo on the chest. This is their older one, I think from the 90s, but very nice. Got this on sale for the great steal of $1 off around Boxing Day, so love this. Not necessarily a PSG fan, but whenever I can get my hand on some football sweaters, I will always take the opportunity because I love football shirts, but the sweaters are definitely my favorite pieces to collect. Another top is this Needles 7-cut flannel. I got this from Anonymous in Edmonton on Boxing Day again. It's just this dark burgundy. I believe this was object dyed. I'm not sure if that's what it was, but I'll put it on the screen if it wasn't. But Needles, Rebuild by Needles 7-cut flannel in this dark kind of burgundy, blue, red cuts all the way throughout. This is just a one size piece. A little bit big, but it's a little bit long, but it's not too bad. Obviously we got the long strand on the bottom there, but worn it a few times. Very nice. Definitely flannel season is here, especially because it's February, but it's still like quite warm out for Calgary standards, so chuck this on and I'm good to go. Another Rebuild by Needles t-shirt, again one size. Got this from Mestizo, with a brand that I'm doing some work for. This is again a 7-cut, I believe it's 7-cut t-shirt, Alabama football. Very nice, very cool. I've worn it a few times. It's quite comfortable. Obviously all the different t-shirts, this one here is very stretchy and soft. This one here a bit more rugged and secure, I guess. But cool shirt, like this one. Something different that you don't see every day. By no means am I an Alabama fan at all, but it's cool. Another t-shirt that I got from Mestizo is just this vintage Tintin t-shirt. To be honest, I haven't even tried this on yet. I'm not sure if it'll fit me, but the main reason I wanted this for myself is because of the back graphic. Just love it. Explorers on the moon. Love the big back graphic. Very cool little Tintin shirt here. I'll do a try on and everything, so we'll see if it fits me. Because that'll be the first time me trying it on. I feel like it will, but it might be a little bit small, but it is what it is. Another piece that was sent to me by MSS Magazine, which I believe is an Italian sports, specifically football magazine. They'd made these Napoli jerseys. I believe that's where they're based, but J'adore Napoli. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. My French is not great, but got the Italian flag on there, number 3 on the back. Just a very nice, oversized, kind of vintage inspired football shirt. Gradient, blue, white color, number 3 on the back. Beautiful shirt. Thank you very much to NSS for that. And then personally for myself, this one is crazy. Probably one of my favorite things I've ever received. To some of you guys, it might not be that wild, but we have the EA Sports, EA FC, FIFA, whatever you want to call it these days, Team of the Year jersey. But the back is really what surprised me, because I knew I was going to get this, but I didn't know that the back was going to have my name on it. So that is just crazy. Never in a million years I think I would be getting EA Sports FC jerseys, shirts. It's just insane. So big thank you to Tagwa. I really appreciate it. If that's how you pronounce your name, apologize if it's not, but thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Insane. Last little bit of clothing before I move into shoes and accessories. Another piece from Fugazi that I got from their first drop of their new collection. This is the, I forget what it's called, but basically the Masters caddy jacket. We have the Masters logo here, but this is Fugazi, of course. Number 87 on this pocket. Not, to my knowledge, not for Sidney Crosby, but you know what I mean. And then on the back, it's just where I would normally say the golfer's last name. It says Fugazi, and this kind of like lifted patch thingy. Yeah, very nice. It's like a jacket slash overshirt. I worn it once. The hoodie underneath, I got a medium, I think. Fits nicely. I can layer underneath it. I can wear it by itself. Double zip as well. Love that. So great piece. Shout out to Fugazi, always killing it. And then a couple shoes and then some hats. First pair of shoes, which if you watch my things I'm obsessed with video again, another piece that I picked up. These are the Hoka Tour Summits, I believe. Black colorway. As you can see, I swapped it to the black laces. They came with yellow laces, but I put the black ones on. I think it's more clean. Vibram outsole, of course. Nice little speckled outsole again. I had to go for these in a size 8, because I kind of slept a little bit, but they fit me fine. A little snug, but I can make it work. Love these Hoka Tour Summits. Would definitely recommend if you're on the fence. These are incredible. Next are a pair of Salomons. These are the GR10K collabs on the X Alps. I think this is the same pair of the broken arms that I have, but nice little GR10K detail on the back. We got the floppy fold over tongue, whatever you want to say, football kind of style tongue. This nice gray canvas material, some white leather, black outsole. Very nice. These honestly might be my favorite Salomons that I own now. I wore them a ton when I first got them in. These are just amazing. Last pair of shoes, which I had sent over by Clarks. These are the Haven and Clarks and the Weaver model, I guess. Never heard of it, but the Weaver model, Gore-Tex, Vibram outsole, Gore-Tex uppers, and these are just beautiful. I actually love these. Worn them a few times. Very nice. Wallabies. If you've been following me for a while, you know I wear my Supreme Wallabies all the time, and these are just, again, an incredible pair. I love these. The colorway is super nice. Gore-Tex makes it incredible. We got this nice Vibram, like kind of lug sole. It's very rigid, sturdy. Love it. Shout out to Charlie and everyone at Clark's, always blessing me. Love these a lot. And then before I leave, just a couple hats that I grabbed lately, or one lately, one was like a while ago. This first one is the Options Austin Strapback. This is their New York one that they did a while ago. I don't even know. They're like navy with a white, kind of like a Yankees colorway with the 3 O's. shout out to them. They're doing good things, making their own merch. That's very cool. The hats are very nice. I would love to get some more, but this was not cheap with the exchange rate and shipping and everything. And then this hat here, the Pumpkin Yo. Don't remember exactly what it's called, but with the flaps on it. We got their logo here, some stars on the back, and then I don't even know what this says on the back, but really cool hat. So the only thing about this hat is I got a size like medium large, I think, and I uncinched it all the way on the back, and it is a bit tight. It is a bit tight still. I have a decently big head, so I can wear it fine, but I can't wear it for like hours on hours or else it starts to squeeze my brain a bit, but got that. Also, I don't really know why I'm telling you this, but I just got a package in. I'm waiting on another one, so I'm gonna put that in after this. So both packages have arrived. I'll show you guys what I got real quickly. First up is Isaiah Rashad Sylvia demo. Now this is the 10th year anniversary of this album, and Top Dog decided to release it on vinyl. This is white vinyl, very good. One of my favorite albums ever, so I had to grab it. Very happy to have that. And then the other piece, the clothing piece I was waiting for, I actually ordered it around Christmas time and I completely forgot that I did order it, but it is this House of Errors France 98 inspired knit football shirt. Very, very nice. The quality is amazing. I'm very impressed with the quality and the fit and everything. It is a beautiful piece. There's also like an Arsenal bruised banana one. Surprisingly, I didn't go for it. It was like a little bit darker, so I think this one just, yeah, it's beautiful. Like I said, the fit is amazing. The quality is top notch, and I can't wait to wear this. It's gonna be quite warm in the summer because it's thick, so maybe a springtime piece. But yeah, I love this. It's very, very, very nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you're new, subscribe here. Go watch my vlogs. I've been vlogging a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.